Hi, my name is Evan Mahlstedt. We're at Donnie Smith Bike Show in St. Paul, Minnesota. This is my 77 Yamaha XS650 rigid chopper. Built it a while back. Me and my best friend Keith Paultjohn, we build bikes every year to ride to Sturgis, and this is one of our older builds. This is nicknamed the Rusty Nail because when I bought the frame, it was very, very rusty, and built the whole bike around that. Put the mounts in it, built all the accessories. Tank is from a flea market. Headlight is from a 65 Mustang. Taillight is from a 40s car accessory. Gas cap is 90s Mercedes car. Everything's kind of handmade and built on it. I built the exhaust out of scrap. My favorite part of the bike is the story. We rode this and another XS to Sturgis. It's supposed to be 9 hours. It took 18 hours. Surprisingly, the XSs are spritey 50 horse for me being 220 pounds. They're not light and nimble. They're a knockoff of a Triumph, we all feel. But they move along just fine. They sound good. You can still go not nearly as fast as you want, but pretty fast on them. They're not a terrible bike for being 6'1". It's a nice break from winter. We're always stuck in the Minnesota winter and we can't ride. We love doing the local shows. We really appreciate getting invited. Donnie Smith is a staple. We come every year, and we appreciate the Dennis Kirk Garage Build invite. And thanks for looking at our bikes.